Here's the microphone right here, guys. Look how small this truly is. You got your microphone facing out right here, and then you have the back that has the branding on there, and this little clip you can just see, just open it up and it clips on to your clothing. Really small, really compact. Guys, in my hands right now is the Hollyland Lark M2S, as you can see here. When I saw this being announced, I knew I had to pick it up. This solves a bunch of issues for me as a content creator. And I wanted to unbox this here and kind of show you guys my first impressions. This is the system that comes with 2 microphones, not 1, but 2. You're also going to get a receiver for your camera and a receiver again for your phone or your computer or your tablet with a USB-C. I believe they make one with a lightning port. Of course, that is a different set. And they make one also with just 1 microphone and 1 receiver. But again, this kit includes this bundle right here. You have some graphics here on how to install the microphone on your person. Let's see, we're here for you, little paperwork, and here it is. Look at that. Beautiful casing. Doesn't seem like anything else is in the box. Maybe there is. Hold on. Okay, this is pretty cool. We got more stuff in here. There's a little silicone gel pack, and that's that. But here's our little pouch. I imagine this is our little carrying case for this. And then over here, we have our wind protectors for the microphones when you're out and about on a windy day. This is a 2-layered pouch. Look at that. You have 1 layer. There's another one because you got 2 microphones. And hold on. We have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, 3.5 millimeter cable. We have all of our accessories out. Let me put this away. All right. Whoa, that just popped open for me. Y'all, you saw that? Look at that. Nice magnetic clasp. Oh man, it's pretty strong too. Okay, here's your charging port right here. On the inside, you have your receiver, which has the connecting pin to charge it, because this will actually charge all of the components in here. Here is the microphone. Yeah, you'll see that there's some plastic tape right there. And that seems to be on all of them. So this is actually not charging while it's, I guess, being shipped to us, which is good. And we can go ahead and initiate that. This is the receiver for the smartphone and the tablet. This is such a great idea. Oh, I didn't even mention this, guys, but there's noise cancellation in these microphones. So if you're out and about on a windy day, or you're just, in a busy environment, you can cancel some of that background noise right here. I want to see how these wind muffs actually fit onto this microphone. Okay, let's see. These are always a little tricky. Oh, I see it. I see it. Okay, so there's like a little pouch here where that microphone is going to go in. You see that right there? It's actually a nice soft rubber material. All right, I'm going to go ahead and expand this. And actually, this is pretty easy to put on too. I thought it might have been a little rigid. No. So here you go. Here's what it looks like when you need to be out and about on a windy day and get that clean audio. It's so important to get good audio when you're capturing video. It's more than 50% of the quality, right? People are going to really appreciate your content when you have clean audio. And so it's really important to have that. Here's the microphone right here, guys. Look how small this truly is. You got your microphone facing out right here, and then you have the back that has the branding on there. And this little clip, you can just see, just open it up and it clips on to your clothing. Really small, really compact. These microphones don't have any built-in memory, so they're not recording anything to the device. They don't have 32-bit float. It's just that, 24 kilohertz, 24-bit, which is actually still good. The 32-bit allows for more flexibility in post if you needed to do some correction. There is a mobile app that allows you to set up the level of noise cancellation, which is featured on here. You have high and low, and I actually do like the noise cancellation. It's important because what happens is this microphone is actually facing out. So there's going to be a lot more environmental noise in say something that might be pointed upwards, like towards you speaking. That being said, the noise cancellation does a really good job of kind of mitigating a lot of that unwanted noise. And it's really cool to be, if you're outside, you know, to be able to have your environment somewhat in the audio to give to match the perspective that people are seeing, you know, on the screen. The other thing I'll mention is that this came with like some wind muffs that you can go ahead and attach to here, which is really good for, you know, windy situations. The only one thing that I would say to be aware of is that this case only includes what's here. And you can't add in the microphone cable that came with it or any of the wind muff accessories or anything like that. It's just that. So there is a little pouch that you are supplied that you can throw everything in, but the case alone won't kind of carry everything for you. I actually really appreciate this design a lot. Here is the Rode Wireless Pro for comparison, and it is a bigger kit, right? Because the microphones are bigger, but these also do a lot more too, in all fairness, right? This is one of the microphones, and it has a magnetic clip on this one. So look at the difference between this and this. I'm just gonna put it on my shirt. Hold on. Look at that. That is very different. Hollyland is absolutely secure in their branding, and they're like, hey, listen, we don't even want people to know that you're using Hollyland. You know what I mean? Like, we don't gotta share it. We're good. We're good. You'll never know. So this is it here. And I really like it. Now, don't get me wrong, this microphone sounds incredible. It does record up to 40 hours of audio built in here, 32-bit float. You have the ability to connect a proper lapel mic on here too. There is, you know, technology and connectivity with the case. You can actually fit the additional accessories that come in with this in the case. So I'm not knocking this at all. I think this is a really good system, which is why I own it. But I do want to say, like, come on, man. Reflective branding on a microphone that's going to be on somebody's person. No. But that being said, Hollyland has nothing to worry about because they are killing it, and they got me to purchase this, and I'm excited about it, and I'm sharing that with you. So hopefully if you guys are creating content and you're looking for a good microphone, you might want to give this some thought because it is well worth it. Thank you for checking out the video. I'll check you guys out in the next one. Peace.